Hi, Kurt na! Congratulations! Love you so much!
Congrats, Kurt. I love you.
Congrats, Kurt! Love you! Pagbuti mo pag-aaral mo alam mo na yan.
Kurt, happy graduation day. Mag-iingat ka palagi, huwag ka muna magjojowa, mag-focus ka sa pag-aaral mo. At alam mo na ang tama't mali, kaya
Congratulations, Kurt. Love ka ni Tantan.
Congratulations, Kurt. Tapos na yun ka sa pag-graduate.
Kurt, inaanak, congratulations. Love ka ni Ninong.
Hi, Kurt! Congratulations!
Hey Kurt, congratulations. I hope all your dreams will come true. God bless you. Congrats ulit sa'yo. Ang galing mo.
Congratulations, Kurt! I love you!
Congratulations, Kurt! Happy! Very happy ako dahil nakatapos ka rin.
Yay!
Congratulations, Kurt. Sana matapos mo hanggang sa mga college mo. Mag-aral kang mabuti. I'm proud of you.
Congratulations, apo ko! Salamat naman sa Diyos at nakatapos ka rin ng high school. Pagbutihin mo pa lalo,
Congrats, Kuya Kurt! I love you!
Congrats, Kuya Kurt. I love you.
Go!
Congrats, Kuya. I love you.
Congrats, Kurt! We are so proud of you. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-aaral ng mabuti at pagiging mabuting anak. We love you!
Congrats, Kurt! Congrats! Nakatapos ka na ng high school. Tapos ngayon, college ka na. Ang bilis ng panahon. Love you!
Congratulations, anak. I love you.
Hi, Kurt. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you, baby. I love you.
Congrats, Kurt! I love you so much! Mama, chup-chup!